In this video, we'll set up the controller's network, a fixed IP address, an LTE backup, internet for a connected device, and a final health check. By default, the controller gets its IP address automatically over DHCP. For a controller you want to reach at the same address every time, switch to a static IP. Pick an address that's free, outside your DHCP range, so nothing else grabs it. If you're not sure, ask your IT admin. Open Select IP Configuration and choose Static IP. Start with the reserved address for this controller. Here we use 192.168.88.50. Keep the net mask that matches your network. For this example, it is 255.255.255.0. Next, enter the gateway, which is normally your router's address. Add the primary DNS server, followed by an optional second DNS server for backup. DNS converts service names into addresses, so the controller can reach internet services reliably. Review the values carefully, especially the address, net mask, and gateway. Then select Save. This change needs a controller restart to take effect. You'll find Restart Controller under System. Time servers keep the controller's clock correct. This matters for audit log timestamps, the runtime log, and any time-based automation rules. The default pool.ntp.org entry works when the controller has internet access. On a closed network, add your local time server first. Here, that is 192.168.88.2. A local server keeps time available even without internet. Then add a public backup, such as time/cloud.com, for use when internet access is available. Review the list, then save the time servers. The 4G LTE modem is optional. A Wolf controller can be ordered with or without it. If yours has the modem, you can use it as an automatic backup when the wired internet connection fails. Turn on Activate LTE Modem. Enter the access point name from your SIM provider. This is also called the APN. Enter two reliable internet addresses. The controller pings these addresses to make sure the 4G connection works. Here we use 8.8.8.8 and 1.1.1.1. Run the test every 60 seconds. After 3 failed tests, the controller restarts the 4G modem. Keep primary link set to LAN so the wired connection stays the main route. Turn on Enable LAN Ping. Enter 2 internet addresses that normally reply to ping. The controller uses them to test whether the wired internet connection is available. Here, the controller runs the test every 25 seconds. After 2 failed tests, Wolf switches internet traffic from LAN to 4G. Click Save. Restart the controller to apply the new network settings. Some sites use 4G as their main internet connection. This is common at remote sites without a wired internet connection. In the settings, the controller calls this connection LTE. Under Primary Link, choose Modem. The controller now uses its 4G modem as the main internet connection. If there is no wired connection to monitor, turn off Enable LAN Ping. The controller regularly checks the internet connection through the modem. If several checks fail, it restarts the modem and connects again. This helps the 4G connection recover automatically. Then click Save. The controller can share its 4G internet connection with multiple devices connected to its LAN. For example, you can connect inverters, battery systems, or other field devices that need internet access. This feature is intended for connected field devices. It is not designed to replace a home or office router or to manage a general-purpose local network. Set the controller's LAN address to 192.168.1.1, then set gateway to the same address. Turn on internet sharing. Then turn on Enable DHCP server. Set DHCP range start to 192.168.1.100. Set DHCP range end to 192.168.1.150. The DHCP server gives an IP address to each connected device. The controller sends their internet traffic through the 4G modem. Then click Save. To check everything is working, open the Status tab. Here you see each network interface, whether it's up, its address, and its traffic. ETH0 is the wired Ethernet port, your LAN. USB 0 is the LTE modem, and WG1 is the VPN tunnel. If your controller has the LTE modem, you also get a modem status card below. It shows the modem model, the SIM state, whether it's registered on the mobile network, and the signal strength, shown with a simple quality rating. If the interfaces are up and the signal is good, your network is ready.